Hi, so I'm up here standing on the debris pile of a fairly large avalanche, which was triggered by a snowmobiler. Also coming out right in the same area over here. So I'm on the south ridge of Magog, and an elevation of about, well, I'd say about 9,000 feet or so. I'm not sure exactly what the story is here, but there are snowmobile tracks leading into this avalanche, and also coming out. So all this snow blew in just the past few days here. There's been substantial west winds and lots of precipitation up here. All that rain down in town translates into this large load of snow here, and the avalanche appears to have failed on snow that was on the surface in late January. There's a rime crust down here, and this is the crust that formed on about the 24th of January, and so this snow on top fell in late January, only a few inches, and it's the weak layer right on the surface of it. Might actually even be surface hoar, definitely some graupel involved.